In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to delete Piggyvest account or how to close or deactivate your Piggyvest account. So basically, there is no particular page where Piggyvest tell you to disable, delete or close your account all by yourself. But for you to be able to do that, all you just need to do, just log into your Piggyvest account, and obviously they can actually launch this in the nearest future, which is very possible. So for you to be able to do that, to log or to delete your account, deactivate or close your account, all you just need to do, just log into your Piggyvest account. Then down below you can see account right here, so just click on it, then scroll all the way down to where you see contact us. So click on that, contact us. Then on this page right here you can see call now, email, copy, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, blog. So these are the options where you can actually reach out to the Piggyvest customer support. So you can click on phone or email, but the best one is to use the email if you want to close your account or disable your account or deactivate your account. So just reach out to Piggyvest through their email. So once you contact them, let them know the reason why you want to close your account, or you want to delete your account, or block your account, or deactivate your account. So once you tell them the reason, they're gonna tell you the risk behind it. Maybe you won't have access to your account again and all sort of that. So once you are okay with all the features they tell you, then tell them that you agreed to their terms and they should close your account for you. So once you do that, the account will be closed successfully. And then I'm not sure if they're gonna allow you to open the account again. I'm not really sure, but then you can actually follow this route to close, disable or deactivate your Piggyvest account.